So I want to talk today about red flags in a business contract that you should be aware of. And if you see them, kind of like be aware of, or don't sign them, or at least try to negotiate them. So I want to talk to you about that. And the reason for that is that when you have different contract provisions that you're not aware of and people sign it because they trust the other side and they just kind of do not pay attention to them, when there's a dispute, that's when people come to see me. And when I'll go over the various terms of the contracts, they say I was not aware of that, or I didn't read that, or I did not understand it. So I want to tell you about a couple of rules that I have with contracts. If you do not understand the contract, do not sign it. That's one. I certainly believe that if the contract is drafted by an attorney, one side, you should have an attorney review it on your behalf and tell you the provisions of what you're signing and help you answer the questions that you have so know what you're getting into. The attorney's role is not to, some exceptions, of course, to talk you out of any type of deal that you want to go into voluntarily. The attorney's role should be to make you aware of those provisions, help you understand them so you understand the obligations that you have within the contract. And ultimately, it's up to you whether or not you want to engage in that particular transaction or business venture or what have you. So, I want to talk to you about some of them. One of them is unlimited indemnification clauses. Uh, what is indemnification? Let's start with that. It's when you agree to cover any losses for the other side. That would be attorney's fees, any defense to any type of litigation. You agree to cover for any potential claims that might occur. You see that commonly included in there's not a lot of negotiation on those. That's commercial lease agreements commonly have indemnification clauses. And I'll give you an example.